Sana be? What is it?
A fish.
A fish?
Yes.
Little fishy.
What do you call that fish?
Boys.
Ma,
No, 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 no.
don't pour it because maybe it will fall down.
Okay. What will going happen to my phone? What will happen to my phone?
You mean there's a big fish after it? Look. Oh, I think that's the wrong one. No, that's the wrong one.
Ay, dati.
I did it.
Ito.
Wait, egg. Ma. Egg. Na.
Mahulog. Gabi na. Yung mga dyan ng
Ayan
sala.
na, mahulog na.
Ma. Tinawa.
What is it?
It's a fish.
Oh, imong pusil. Where's your gun? Patong gani ate be. You want to feed the fish? Sige. You get some.
Go.
With 2 hands ate. With 2 hands. We are here now at Magnaga Blue Waters Resort. We're going to pizza today because it's holiday. Napadyan sila doon yung library. You can read here while eating. There's a pool out there. An infinity pool to the beach.
Where am I? You'll be here and Auntie will be in the tray.
Itapad na gano'n mo iwan ko dito. O, na.
Ikaw, Dere.
O, ikaw diha.
Ikaw, Dere. Me, Ma.
O.
Where's my water? What's mine? The big, oh, the small one. Small. I think this. Mom, there ka. Kaya sa imong buhok. Mom,
Oh.
there ka.
O, ako dahil